I'm at the Dollar Tree to check out their Valentine's Day products. I am coming over here from Michael's, and I just posted that video, so if you haven't seen it, I will go ahead and link it down below so that you can go ahead and go back and watch it. But in the meantime, let's check out what the Dollar Tree has for Valentine's Day. Now here they have some artwork. You can tell there's like a little bit of a 3-dimension because of the wording. Like that one had moon. This one says the word love where it's raised. This one has forever. There's a lot of glitter on it. Super cute designs as you can see, and the back is hollow. Here is a little Valentine's Day gnome. And this one just sits on a shelf. And these cute little candy dispensers, you can see here, they're just in the shape of hearts. In here they have the little heart-shaped plaques, and these are the little sweetheart conversation hearts. And they've got little fabric gift bags. And they've got them in the pink and the red, and they are 2 to a pack. Now these are fun. These are called Whack-A-Pack, so when you hit them, they actually puff up into little balloons. And they have a few Valentine's Day bingo game designs. And here are these cute little heart-shaped dishes, and as you can tell there's glitter on the inside. And again, they do have them in the red and pink. And here they have these little wooden plaques in the shape of mason jars. And you can see the little twine and the cute little sayings. You can see how thick it is. Now it's got a little damage in the corner, but there we go. Here's a better one. And here's one in the shape of a truck that says loads of love, special delivery. Now similar to Michael's, here are these tinsel shaped hearts. And in the same colors with the red and the magenta. And these are tiny little tinsel hearts all put together in the form of a wreath. And here are a few hanging hearts. And here is one with the magenta in the middle. And this sign says XOXO, and they also have one that says love. And here is this cute little gnome with the tinsel hat. Now here's this banner. I thought it was really cute. And here is this little guy. It says cutie on it. Again, part of that little tinsel collection. And here is a dog similar to that as well. And this little champagne bottle. And here is this tin-shaped heart. As you can see here, there's like a little wooden plaque in the middle that says love with a little burlap bow on the corner. Now here's some of their framed artwork. Now, similar to Michael's, here is this long welcome sign. Now, this one in the back is being held together by a ribbon versus the one at Michael's was held by rope, like the nautical rope. And here is another one similar to Michael's where it's got the beading on the top. And this beautiful large wooden tag. They've got them in multiple designs. And I can say that the Dollar Tree has really upped their game with the kind of products that they're providing. I mean, not just holiday products, but just in general. So moving over to the Valentine's Day craft section, here they have a lot of little items like these packages that come in like 10 pieces. So if you want to create your own or maybe put them in little gift bags with the kids, they've got lots of stickers, or even for a classroom setting. I thought this package was great. had a lot inside. It had 5 pieces, but they were larger pieces. And of course, the Dollar Tree ribbon never fails. I absolutely love their ribbon. And these are 9 feet long. And look at these. Very, very cute. Great quality. And here are a few more that are perfect for Valentine's Day. Look at this. I'm just loving the Dollar Tree ribbon. So here are some floral picks. They're little gnomes. They come 2 to a package. And here are the colors that they carry. They've got 3 different designs. And look at this lace ribbon. I thought the detail on this was beautiful. And they also have a few different designs for their pom-pom garland. Here are some cute little tinsel hearts. Tinsel in general, I saw quite a bit at Christmas time and definitely now during Valentine's Day. And I've only been to a few places, but Michael's and here at the Dollar Tree definitely have quite a few. Now these are listed as table scatters, and I will quickly show you what they've got. These are called sticky paper flowers. They come in packages of 12. And these little foam roses come in red and white, kind of like a creamy white color, and they each have 18 in a package. Now here are some more table scatters. There are a lot, and for those DIYers, you can definitely create a lot with what they have to offer this year. Now you can see these little clips. You get your money's worth. Look at these glittered hearts. You can use them in floral arrangements, anything that you wish. Here are some beautiful little wooden ornaments and these little DIY pins. And here we have some paint sets and color your own kits. It's very nice because these are pre-printed wooden plaques and they include the paint and the markers. And next is this little wooden decor piece. It's 4 hanging hearts. And they also have these wooden hearts. As you can see, they almost have that shiplap design. They have them in red, white, and then they have this beautiful unpainted beaded heart. Here's the unfinished heart one as well. But those beads alone, whether you leave them in the heart shape or you decide to take it apart and use it for something else. And here's this long wooden cutout. The top has like the roof of a house. And here is this little wooden heart. Here are some pink little LED lights. And here's some in the shape of a heart. And here's some more of the tinsel hearts. These are on a pick. But again, these are being seen everywhere. And let me quickly show you some of their table decor. And these have little lights. You can just battery operated, flip them on and off. And again, for you to just paint and decorate as you wish. And look at all of these acrylic paints. Now these bottles were pretty large and these could easily be used in DIYs. I was so tempted to get one of each, but I'm a little behind on my DIY, so I need to be careful not to overstock. But let me again show you the colors that they have. And if you plan on creating your own floral arrangements, let me show you some of their picks and their flowers. And here are these truck-shaped tins that are actually stakes, so you can put them in your front or backyard. And of course they have a lot of the heart-shaped boxes that are filled with chocolates, and these are by Elmer Chocolate. And I love this little box because it's got that Louis Vuitton look to it. And here are a couple of gift bag selections. And if you plan on having a little party, here they have some little stemless glasses. And they also have these plastic mason jars with straws. Here's some little buckets. As you can tell, these are 2 to a package. So that's a great price. You can fill them up with snacks. And similar to Michael's, here's this little bowl that's kind of like an art piece. I absolutely love this. And for Christmas, I saw something like this at Hobby Lobby. And these small little buckets are similar to small popcorn buckets, and they also came 2 to a pack. And here is a champagne glass. And like I mentioned, this was more of like the little party section, so they've got some confetti and lots of little gift ideas that you can give away. They were still putting out the gift bags, but these Valentine gift bags are amazing. Some of them have 2 to a package. And I'll quickly show you what they've already put on their shelves. And if you're looking for something a little more sturdy, this was more of a gift box. But you can see the ribbon, and that would kind of in essence be the gift bag. But maybe if you've got something like glass or ceramic, this would work out better. And I was getting ready to leave, and I found some of their decorative mesh. And I'll try to get a little closer so you can see the shine of the gold detail and the red. And I also found this beaded garland, and I will try to bring this up. You can see the little pearls on there. They're different sizes, and these are the different colors that they have. And of course, lots and lots of candy. I love this little heart-shaped chocolate, and it's actually a maze. And by Palmer Chocolate, here they have the chocolate stirring spoons. And these are some of my favorites, the Junior Mints. And they do have chocolate roses. And they've got these little lip pops. These are so cute. And of course, Sour Patch Kids. And these are all little heart-shaped candies. I didn't know they still made these, but these are the candy bracelets. And then, of course, we cannot forget our little pets. And they had a lot of little wooden plaques that pertain to cats and dogs. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching here. I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that when that next video comes out, you will be notified. I just want to thank you guys all from the bottom of my heart for helping me grow my channel. I have been having so much fun, and I've got so many other videos lined up for you all. You guys, thank you again so much for watching. Have a wonderful night, and I will see you all in the next one.